The initial fear that robots would take all our jobs has largely been dispelled in recent years, as current trends clearly indicate that automation is transforming the job market rather than eliminating it on a massive scale. Historically, major economic shifts, such as the transition from agricultural to industrial societies, have led to the evolution of jobs rather than their complete disappearance, creating new opportunities along the way. The core premise remains clear and reassuring. AI isn't replacing us humans entirely, it's primarily replacing specific repetitive tasks, thereby freeing up our immense human potential for more creative, strategic, and meaningful work. AI excels particularly well at repetitive, data-intensive tasks, from efficient customer service bots seamlessly handling countless customer queries to complex algorithmic trading systems navigating the fast-paced financial markets. Humans are increasingly leveraging these AI tools to enhance their efficiency across diverse fields, such as AI-powered design software revolutionizing creative projects and predictive analytics in healthcare delivering better patient outcomes through precise insights. The crucial skill gap emerging in this landscape is not primarily in coding proficiency, but in developing the ability to effectively partner and collaborate with these advanced AI systems. Emerging job categories are now centering on human-AI collaboration, creating vital new roles like AI trainers who teach and refine systems, prompt engineers who optimize interactions, and AI ethicists who guide responsible development. Existing professions are being significantly augmented rather than eliminated. For instance, doctors are using AI for precise diagnostics to improve accuracy, and lawyers are leveraging AI for comprehensive legal research to save time and enhance depth. This transformative shift is introducing the curiosity economy, where real value is generated through human ingenuity, creativity, and critical thinking, all greatly amplified by AI's powerful capabilities. AI is empowering individuals and small teams to achieve breakthroughs that once required the vast resources of large organizations, as evidenced by accelerated drug discovery timelines and innovative personalized education platforms adapting to individual learners. This dynamic partnership is driving a major innovation boom, speeding up development cycles in key fields like materials science, climate solutions, and personalized medicine through effective human-AI synergy. It profoundly challenges us to recognize our unique human capabilities, such as creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving, as the essential high-value skills thriving in this rapidly evolving professional landscape. Adapting education systems to prioritize human-AI collaboration skills and critical thinking instead of relying on rote memorization is absolutely paramount for ensuring future success in this tech-driven world. We must also address critical ethical considerations, including robust data privacy protections, mitigation of algorithmic bias, and the essential role of human oversight to guarantee responsible AI implementation across society. Ultimately, we envision an optimistic future where humans are empowered to engage in higher-order creative, strategic, and empathetic endeavors, thereby redefining what it means to work effectively and thrive in a post-automation economy.